Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to make Instagram account to private mode by using your iPhone, and in previous video I post for Android mobile users so you can check it. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application. So now in this home page section, in bottom it shows some icons. So here you can press that person icon and the final one, and this is my Insta profile. So here I try to press this horizontal 3 lines icon, and it is placed at almost top of right side corner, and one new window is opening. So here you can go to settings and then select privacy settings, and finally I get to this private account settings. So just click to turn on this first option, and it asks for confirmation. So you can select switch to private. So now I try to access my profile section. So now in this section, in top of my username, it shows one lock icon, which means that my Insta account is set to private mode. So this is the way you can easily make your Instagram account to private mode by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.